What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy jets and airplanes on GTA 5 story mode. So there are a couple of things you need to do. First, watch this video to complete the full game and get a lot of money to buy these items and hangars and everything you need. And after that, go to the hangar. So we will need to go to the airport like here, and there is my hangar. So I will go there and I will see you guys in a bit, because we are going to buy there our helicopter or jet, whatever you want. I got something in my head which I want to buy. Got a lot of money at the moment because I have completed the full game, and now we are flying towards it. So yeah, basically we are already at the airport. And yeah, I also got some videos about how to buy cars, how to buy helicopters. Yeah, and now you are watching how to buy jets and airplanes. So definitely check them all out and leave a comment in the comments below to let me know what you think about it. I'm doing my best to help you guys as best as possible. So what we are doing now is we are accessing the hangar, and we need to open our mobile phone. After that, we will go to travel and transport, go to Elitas Travel, and there you will find all the available aircrafts. So the helicopters and the planes. Let's say you would like to buy this plane from $10 million. Click on buy. Now I've ordered it, and it will be delivered soon in our hangar. We need to wait a second. Yeah, as you can see, I got a lot of money, so that 10 million won't hurt me. Now we will go to the hangar. Once you enter the hangar, you can change the stored vehicle. So click on the muscle E, and I think it was this one. So now if you move back over here, there it is. So basically that is how you buy an airplane in GTA 5 story mode. Hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Cheers, guys!